Hi everyone, I have very exciting news for all of you. In 2023, we have some amazing workshops coming up, 3 of them. So, we are going to have a workshop in January and in July in the beautiful Wilmington, North Carolina, with the infamous David J. Coon, Medical Qigong Master,
Da-da.
my dad.
Yay. So we're going to be doing Qigong. We're going to be doing medical Qigong. We're going to be doing meditation. You're going to learn healing techniques, Qigong exercises for yourself, healing techniques for other folks. And you know what's so amazing about it?
What's so
Not
amazing?
only, first of all, not only do we have two, one in January and one in July in Wilmington, which
Yes,
is a beautiful beach town. We live here now.
gorgeous.
It's amazing. They call it the Hollywood of the East. It's fantastic. If you haven't visited, come visit. Bring your surfboard if you surf. Bring your boogie board, whatever, and bring your kids. Also have a swimming pool right here at the hotel. So we also have a workshop in beautiful Asheville, North Carolina, which we lived in for a couple of
Yes.
years. I've been teaching seminars since 2000, the bigger seminars like this since 2007. Bella was born in 2009, so we were doing this and already started to travel the country 2 years before she was born.
Yes.
She's been coming to the seminars and the workshops since, she was little, okay, and showing up to these things. What would you say? I'm going to interview you now for a moment. What would you say about the energy at these events? What do you see with the people when you see them Sunday afternoon? Because sometimes people come in on Saturday, they're tired, they've traveled, we're practicing Qigong. People are tired by the time Saturday rolls around, right? But what does pretty much everybody look like Sunday night? You've seen a lot of these programs over the year. What do they look
Yes.
like?
Well, Cindy and I always come in and literally people are glowing. I mean, like you would think there were spotlights on everybody. It's pretty magical what the transformation of everyone. And I'm not just saying that because I'm like his daughter or something. Like I'm not one of those people. It's like, I've actually I've seen this
Yeah.
for 12 years now,
Yeah.
and it's magical.
It is very magical. Sometimes we've even had her grandmother at programs.
Yes.
Grandmas become enlightened during some of these programs. Anyway, we've traveled around. We've gone different places. These are some of our favorite stops. Wilmington, where we now live. We did live in Asheville. We loved it there too. These are great locations, North Carolina. You get 15 CEUs if you're an acupuncturist. A lot of massage therapists, North Carolina. Uh, Massage therapists and people who have reciprocity with the NCCAOM can get continuing education units. And whether you get continuing education units or not, to me, that is the cherry on top. This is an opportunity to transform yourself. One of the things that I hear more over the years, if somebody asks me, what do you hear more than anything else? This is the one thing I hear more than anything else. People will say to me, they'll pull me aside and they'll go, David, I know we did all these practices. I know we did Qigong. I know we did meditation. I know we had these like really cool lectures and awakening conversations, mindfulness conversations. I know that we did healing work on each other. I know we did all of these different things, but how did I get this much energy, this kind of energy, this quality of energy? That's the thing I hear more than anything else. And it's just fantastic. And to me, it's because of the combination of practices that we interweave throughout the weekend, and it's the concentration of it, which is why we call it an intensive. It's not just a workshop, it's an intensive. Because it's
Yes.
kind of intense. And for those that are excited about it and interested in it, it will definitely like kick you up and over the top.
Yes. And it's also amazing versus if you have a private, for example, like if you went on a private retreat with David or something, that is an incredible experience and it has its own amazingness within itself. But then I think it's also magnified sometimes when you become with that group and everyone's doing Qigong and the movements and the exercises and the meditations,
Yes.
and it's all amplified because of that group.
Yep. So the group, some people are into the group, some people don't like the groups. But for those who like the group activities, it's really amazing. We have people come in from all around, regardless of where I teach. I've taught from Tampa, Florida, all the way up to Albany, New York, to Washington, D.C., all the way over to California, Colorado. We've
Hawaii.
been Hawaii. We've been to a lot of different places and taught. every one of the programs, people come from all over, and it's always the perfect match. It's always the perfect group, and people always come together to create that kind of alchemy and that kind of magic. So, 2023, Way of the Peaceful Warrior is the name of this one. Calming the heart and mind.
Yes, medical Qigong for the peaceful warrior, calming the heart and mind.
Yes, very important to
Yes.
put all of those pieces together.
Yes.
Okay.
We would love to have you all there. Please come. I want to meet you all so much.